Okay, today we are going to have the revision.
Ma'am, Avantika.
Literally. Okay, I'll just begin with the revision of the chapter.
Avantika
Okay?
Prajapati.
Literally, if she's not interested, we cannot force her. See, beta, just have the registers and the pen. Take the registers and the pen. Hurry up. Take the registers and the pen.
Yes, ma'am.
Taken? Okay, I'll speak the questions. I'll give you the multiple choices. And then what will you do? You just write down the options, the answers there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Have the revision of the chapter, right? The red trap we are going to revise. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Put number 1 and write down. The red trap peddler left a note with the package. The note was signed as. Okay. First option, Captain wants Chile. Second one, the tramp. Third one, the thief. And fourth one, the peddler. Should I repeat the options?
Yes, ma'am.
First one, Captain wants Chile. Second one, the tramp. Third one, the thief. And fourth one, the peddler. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
The next one, what did the package left for Adla contain? What did the package left for Adla contain? First option, a diamond ring. Second option, a necklace. Third one, a small bangle. And fourth one, a small red trap with 30 kronor in it. Write down the options. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where did the iron master and his daughter learn that the peddler was a thief? Where did they come to know that the peddler was a thief? Okay. In the house of a friend. Second option, at a play. Third one, at the market. And the last one, at the church. In the house of a friend. Second option, at a play. Third, at a market. And last one, at the church.
Yes, ma'am. Done. Yes, ma'am.
The red trap peddler spent most of his Christmas Eve. Okay, listen to the questions carefully. The red trap peddler spent most of his Christmas Eve sleeping, second playing, third singing, and fourth laughing. First is sleeping, second is playing, third is singing, and fourth is laughing. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
The daughter wanted the peddler to stay so that he could. Okay. The daughter wanted the peddler to stay so that he could, first one, play a game of poker with them. Second option, play cards with them. Third option, eat a meal with them. And last option, enjoy at least Christmas with them.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What did the iron master's daughter say when the peddler was about to leave? What did the iron master's daughter say when the peddler was about to leave? First, she asked him to leave after 2 days. Second one, she told him not to mind what her father had said. Third one, she said she wanted to go with him. And the last one, she asked him to stay for that day only. Written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The reaction of the Iron Master to the peddler's lecture was that, listen to the question. The reaction of the Iron Master to the peddler's lecture was that, first option, what was the reaction? You know, when the peddler, he started his philosophy, he started his lecture. So what was the reaction of the Iron Master? First one, he slapped him. Second one, he laughed. Third, he made fun of him. And the last one, he shouted at him. Written? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One second. How many had I given you?
7. 7, ma'am.
7 I have given. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. The red trap peddler gave the Iron Master a lecture on. The red trap peddler gave the Iron Master a lecture on. First one, how to be professional. Second, how to cheat somebody. Third one, how to be honest. And the last one, how the world is a rat trap. Should I repeat the options?
Ma'am, the
No, ma'am.
question you can repeat, ma'am?
Yes, yes. The rat trap peddler, he gave the Iron Master a lecture on. किस पर lecture दिया था red trap peddler ने? How to be professional, how to cheat somebody, how to be honest, and last one, how the world is a red trap.
Okay, ma'am.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The tramp argued with the Iron Master. The tramp argued with the Iron Master, saying that first option, he did not want to marry Adla. Second option, he could celebrate Christmas. Third one, he was smarter than them. And fourth one, he could just go back. I'll repeat the options. He did not want to marry Adla. Second, he could celebrate Christmas. Third one, he was smarter than them. And last one, he could just go back. Written.
Okay, ma'am.
Next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
The stranger's reaction to the Iron Master was. The stranger's reaction to the Iron Master was. First one, he started screaming.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
The stranger's reaction to the Iron Master was. Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
First one, he started screaming. Second one, he denied it completely. Third one, he was angry. And fourth one, he made no attempt to hide his feelings.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
The reason for his unhappiness means Iron Master's unhappiness was that he hated the way the peddler looked. Second option, he made a mistake in recognizing the peddler. Third one, he came to know that the peddler was a thief. And the last one, he looked ugly now.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
What did the iron master feel when he saw the rat trap seller after he was well groomed by his valet? Okay. What did the iron master feel when he saw the rat trap seller after he was very well groomed, okay, by his valet? What were the expressions? Angry, second, suspicious, third one, very happy, and fourth one, not pleased. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
The second thing of priority for the red trap seller was, what was the second thing of priority for the red trap seller was to marry him to someone, to get a better job, to take him to a doctor, or to make him sleep comfortably. Written? Done or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the first move of the Iron Master was to make sure that the guest could. Okay. The first move, what did the very first thing the Iron Master thought about this red trap seller when he brought him to his manor house? That the guest could, he was talking to his daughter and they were just discussing about this man. So what was his first intention to do? First one, be given some clothes. Second one, be given some money. Third one, to have verification done. And the last one, to gain some flesh on his bones. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many questions?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 14.
14
ma'am,
is,
some urgent work is come to ma'am, so I'll leave the class.
what urgent work? More urgent than attending the class?
No, ma'am, my mother is going out to some, ma'am, phone is not here with me.
Wait, beta, wait for 5 minutes. Na? You can wait for 5 minutes. Can you?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Only
ma'am.
5 minutes it will take.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
last one I'm
Oh,
giving you.
okay, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
Network
ma'am.
is suddenly gone.
See, sitting in the carriage, this is the last one. This is the 15th one, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sitting in the carriage with the young girl, the red trap seller was deep in thought. Okay, when he was coming with Edla to the manor house, he was lost in his thought. He felt answer confident. Okay. Second one, nervous and tense. Third one, ashamed at coming with the girl. And the fourth one, guilty at having stolen the crofter's money. What thought came into his mind? Confident, nervous and tense, ashamed at coming with the girl, and guilty at having stolen the crofter's money. Did?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please, 14th one, please repeat. My network is suddenly gone.
Which one?
14th one, ma'am.
14th one. What was the 14th one? Somebody can read it out. 14th one. Somebody can tell her the 14th one. Okay, I'll say. It was, yes. The first move of the Iron Master was to make sure that the guests could. Okay, the very first thing the Iron Master thought about this red trap seller when he was talking with his daughter, okay, that the first thing that he could do for the guest was to be given some clothes, to be given some money, to have verification done, or to gain some flesh on his bones. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The answers. What is the first answer? Hurry up. Come out with the answers. Jaldi jaldi bolo. Red Rep Peddler left a note with the package. The note was signed as. What is the first answer?
34 note.
Yashashvi, what is it?
A small red strip with 30 corners in it.
क्या ऑप्शन था बेटा?
Ma'am,
First-
option A.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था मेरा? द रेड ट्रैप पेडलर लेफ्ट अ नोट विद द पैकेज. ये वाला था ना?
Ma'am,
Oh
option
yeah,
A.
sorry ma'am. I answered the
कैप्टन
second
वॉन
one.
शेले
Sorry,
था
ma'am.
ना बेटा?
Yes ma'am.
सेकेंड वाला
I
व्हाट डिड द
answered the
पैकेज
second.
लेफ्ट फॉर एडला कंटेन? क्या था पैकेज में?
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
one,
A
a small
small
red
red
trap
strip
with
with
30 kronos. Okay.
30
Where did
corners.
the Iron Master
Yes,
and his
ma'am.
daughter learn that the peddler was a thief? Where did they come to
At
know
the
that?
church.
At the church.
Ma'am, option D.
Huh. The red trap peddler spent most of his Christmas Eve, A1, sleeping.
Sleeping.
The daughter
Sleeping.
wanted the
Yes,
peddler
ma'am.
to stay so that he could, last one, enjoy at least
Enjoy
Christmas with
at
them.
least Christmas with
E1.
them.
Okay, what did the
Yes,
Iron
ma'am.
Master's daughter say when the peddler was about to leave? Last one. She asked him to stay for
She asked for a stay that day only.
that day
That
only,
day only.
Christmas Eve. पर. Reaction of the Iron
Yes.
Master to the peddler's lecture was that, क्या
Laugh.
reaction था? He laughed.
Laugh.
Second one. Then the
Yes,
red
ma'am.
trap peddler gave the Iron Master a lecture on किस पर lecture दिया था? Last one. How the world is a red
How
trap.
the world is red trap.
Temp argued with the Iron Master saying that Temp ने क्या argue करा था Iron Master के साथ? Okay, क्या था? He could just
One
go
just
back. उसने कहा था ना?
go back.
At the most I can put on my
Yes, ma'am.
rags and I can go back. है ना? फिर the stranger's
Yes.
reaction to the Iron Master was,
No attempt to hide us.
yes, he did not make any attempt to dissimulate, means to hide his feelings. Reason for his unhappiness was that, रीजन क्या था आयरन मास्टर के अनहैप्पीनेस का? सेकेंड वन, ही मेड अ मिस्टेक इन रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द रेड ट्रैप सेलर.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, उसके लुक से नफरत नहीं थी, उसको दुख इस बात का हुआ था कि उसने उसको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करा. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
him as his friend. What did the Iron Master feel when he saw the red trap seller after he was well groomed? क्या लगा उसको? He became very angry ना?
Angry. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The second thing of priority for the red trap seller क्या थी? Second priority, to sleep comfortably. समझ में आया? आराम से सोना ही
Yes,
उसकी
ma'am.
प्रायोरिटी थी.
Yes,
Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did the iron master think too? Okay, when he was talking to his daughter, क्या श्योर करना था उसको? To give some clothes, some money, verification done, yeah, to get some
Ma'am,
flesh on,
clothes.
no,
To
Clothes.
gain some
get
flesh
some
on his
flesh on the
bones.
bones. क्या था बेटा क्वेश्चन? The first move of the iron master was to make sure that the guest could get some flesh on his body. जब अपनी
Flesh
डॉटर
on
से
the
बात कर रहा था ना,
flesh.
तो यस ही वाज टॉकिंग कि बाद में उसके बिजनेस या कुछ काम के बारे में सोचेंगे. फर्स्ट वी शुड मेक हिम समवॉट हेल्दी. व्हाई? ही वाज अ मियर स्केलेटन एंड ही शुड गेट सम फ्लैश ऑन हिज बॉडी. ध्यान आया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सिटिंग इन द कैरेज, जब वो कैरेज में गर्ल के साथ आ रहा था, द रेड ट्रैप सेलर वाज इन डीप थॉट. ओके.
Guilty and having stolen
The
the crafter's
crofter's money. Very
Plus
good.
money.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Option D.
Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Completed?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow you can come out with the problems and we'll continue with some other multiple choice questions. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you
Yes,
and
ma'am.
thank
have a
you, ma'am.
nice day. Thank you. Thank you.